Lian Gratem from grade 8.
Go!
Hi, my name is Carangelo Alonso from grade 8 Diamond.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Trinidad from grade 8 Diamond.
Hi, my name is Ferner Maghane from grade 8 Diamond.
Hello everyone, this is Sophia Jasmine B. Bansal from grade 8 Diamond.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about function. To know what is the meaning of function, here's Diane.
Thank you, Kian. This is the meaning of function. Function is a special type of relation in which element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the range.
Go!
The different types of relation are one-to-many, many-to-one, and one-to-one. Function have only two, and they are many-to-one and one-to-many.
Below, these are the two types of a function, one-to-one and many-to-one. These are the example, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. The domains are 1, 3, and 5, and the range is 2, 4, 6. This is one-to-one because the domain is only 1 and the range is only 1. The second is many-to-one. The given are 7 and 8, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. The domains are 7, 3, and 4, and the range is 8 and 6. They are function because they have one domain but two range. They are also function because it have the domain and the range.
Go!
Thank you for watching. Goodbye. We hope that you learned something. Bye!